two variables which are dependent, I can use it. There is a relationship between the two variables. There is a meaning of that time, Monday, Tuesday. Is it not called a day is one of the situation or not? Concerning about the situation. Are you able to follow now? And the next one more time, it is made up of, one more time I will write it. It is made by, what do you know, connecting data points, connecting the data points. If I give the example, you will understand. Connecting the data points with what you know, straight line points. You know, line graph is nothing but what? One straight line. Rather than just describing with that, directly I will go for the example. So straight line segment. It's a mathematics terminology. I am writing it. This is called something like a definition format of your line graph, right? So you also try to write along with me. One problem I want to take it. First problem I am going to give you. What is that first problem? Open your diagram. Draw a line graph. Come on, open it. Instead of simply sitting idle, draw a line graph. Draw a line graph. So I'm going to take up, draw a line graph for the following problems. Faster, don't eyes. Draw a line graph for the following points. All the students in online, you write some of them because you are simply sitting idle and started sleeping also sometimes. So I'm writing problem number one. No nice. Problem number one. What is this problem number one says? All of you listen. So here I'm writing number of days. Number of days I'm taking, and absentees also I'm going to write it. Absentees. Write down. Write along with me. Number of days and absentees. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the days. First day absent is 5. Second day absent is 10. Third day absent is 15. Fourth day absent is 10. Now I need to write the graph for it. Now I need to write the graph for it because it is only few days are taken and it is easy to understand which day is a more absentees are there. Suppose there are 365 days are there. 365 days, 365 absentees I am representing. Which day is having more absentees I want to find out. So that time I will go for what? Two variables I require. Number of days to be plotted on where? Independent variable. Absentees depends on what a day. So it concern about the time. First day, second day, third day, like that. Very following? Right. That is the problem number one. Draw the line graph. So write a code for representing the line graph. Online students. Next problem number two. Second problem I want to go for. Write down problem number two. I will take the problem number two. What the problem number two says? All of you try to understand. Here it is going to be problem number two I'm taking. So in the problem number two I'm taking distance. I will take it distance. I'm going to take it distance and then time I am going to take it. Distance and time I am going to take it. So distance and time. So there I am going to take about it. Distance and time. So there I will take it distance. I am going to take it 20. First distance I am writing 30, 35. Next I am writing what you know 45, 45. Now 20 I am taking it. 25 I am taking it. Harish, no need to write on the diagram, my dear student. It is not a response, okay? Harish, first you write down in your notebook, okay? Please write in your notebook. Right? Don't be a social worker, okay? So try to write in your notebook. Next I'll write it 5. Next I will write it 10. Next I will write it 15. Next I will write it what you know 20. These are all called what? Time. In terms of minutes you take it. In terms of seconds you take it. I need to draw the line graph. Next I will go to one more problem. Problem number 3. Start. Problem number 3. Problem number 3 I will take it. So we are starting the examples here. There also we are having two variables. Multiple variables also will come. Next is called what? General diagram. This is input 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then 6, and then 7. Next is called output. Next is called output. Input and then output. Here it is called 2, 5, 2, 5, and then it is called 7, it is called 11, it is called 14, it is called, that is for 5, this is called 14, this is called 6, it is called what, some 8, it is called something like a 20. So this is called inputs as well as outputs. Next, I will take it one more kind of problem. Input as well as output. Next, I will take it problem number 4. Problem number 4, I am going to take it. Problem number 4. What the problem number 4 deals with? Something like that. Problem number 4 deals with. Here I am writing quarter 1. Quarter 1 and quarter 2. Quarter 1, quarter 1, quarter 2, and quarter 3. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3. 3. So there I'm going to write it. One more thing. You see Samsung. Samsung. Next is called what, Apple. Apple phone. Next is called OnePlus. OnePlus. So this is going to be called what? 7. And this is called a 12. 12. And OnePlus is called a 9. Quarter number 2. Quarter number 2. 32. 32. Apple is called what? 21. Next is called 20. Quarter number 3. 52. It's the 52. Apple is going to be called what here, 60. Some number. Some number. I'm writing 65. I'm writing 65. So I will write it one more kind of thing. Problem number 5. Are you writing? Or simply writing without pen and ink, you are writing acting like? Are you doing like that? Okay. No, no, no. Just confirming. Just confirming. Okay? Right. So, just my doubt I will ask you. I'll ask my doubt. So, nothing wrong in asking doubt because I am finding these days some type of actors also in my class. So, 5, fifth one I am writing. Students, next I am going to write it. Next I am going to write it. 2001, 2011, 2011, 2012, 2012, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2014. So there I will write it product A, product A, product A, product A. Next is called product B, product B. So product A in 2011 sold. So I think take some number 150, 120, some numbers you take it 125, some 100, something like 50, 50. So take 125, 125, 125. Next you take it as what, 125. This is called 150, 150. This is known as what, 50. This is going to be known as 100, 100. Okay. Next I will go to last and final problem number 6. Problem number 6. Written? Online students, are you writing? Next problem number 6. There you write it. One more kind of thing. We need to do the coding for all these things. There I will write it. I will write it. Time, and next is called what, temperature. Temperature. Time will be, write down. time 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Next is called 10 a.m. Next is called 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Next is called 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Temperature 35. Next is called 45. Next is called 50. Next is called 40. 40. 40. That's all. So if you are able to do it, then you are perfect in line graph. Shall I start up? Right. So this is called my line graph points, students. So I'm going to introduce what is this line graph points, sir. So now this theory, this kind of thing, after doing this entire thing, again you can read out and I can show some description also for you. Shall we start up? Right. Students, in order to write, in order to draw line plot, to develop line plot, as I already said yesterday, we use we use predefined function called plot function present in what pyplot pyplot module of matplotlib matplotlib matplotlib. So I'm going to use it. How to use it, I'm going to tell. Shall I take this problem now? Right, I will go for direct problem. So what is this number of days? X coordinate. And what are the options? Y coordinates. So I will go for what? Plot. So for plot, I'm going to tell you so much of big syntax. So what is the big syntax? PLT dot plot of x comma y comma lc comma lw comma ls comma mec comma mfc comma marker size comma ms comma. So much of thing I am going to tell you, but these are all called a makeup kind of things only. But the most important thing is what? X comma y. X comma y. Shall we start up? Right. Online students, be careful. And so easy for you to write it now. Let's go to the place. Now I'm going to enter into the Jupyter notebook. So problem number one, I will take it. Problem number one. So take care. This problem number one, I will bring it as this. And how many ways to represent this data? This data. In how many ways I can represent this data in our data science level? In how many ways I can represent this data? All are good only. All decent students only. But subject లేదు. How many ways are there to represent? Number one, by using normal Python, I can represent. Normal Python. Number of days is equal to NOD is equal to, I can write 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 I can write. Absentees is equal to 5 comma 5 comma 10 comma 15 comma 10 I can write like that. This is called a list of students, number of days, list of students with absentees. That is called what? List. How do you represent it in Python? List. I can represent. One more way you can represent by using what? ND array. ND array. NOD is equal to numpy dot array of, I can write it what? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Next is called what? AB is equal to numpy dot array of, I can say what? 5 comma 10 comma 15 comma 10. I can represent like this also. Correct? Next, one more way I can represent this as what? Come on. How do you represent? S1 is equal to, sorry, here I will go to it. Here I will go to it. Something like what, S NOD. Series NOD is equal to, series NOD is equal to, series NOD is equal to, come on. Pandas dot, pandas dot, series of, what I can do? I can say this data here. I can say this data here. Are you following me? Next, series of AB. SAB is equal to what, Pandas dot, pandas dot what? Series of what I can say. This entire data I can write it. Madhu, you see how many ways I am writing. Mr. Madhu, see how many ways I am writing. Another way to write it is what? Another way you can write is what? One, data frame. Tell me, how do you write data frame? Start. Hmm. PD dot data frame, data frame, curly brace open. Uh, uh, bracket open. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the wrong. That is the wrong. I expected. You will tell like that only. Apply your brain. So I will take it. See, if you do this type of activity, it's not correct. Look at now. Number of days is equal to. I am going to write it. What is this? Days and absentees. DA is equal to days versus absent is equal to. I am writing there what? Number of days. I am writing Madhu. You see, number of days colon. Number of days colon. What I will write it? This type of data. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will write 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. See how many ways I am writing. So super. This is called what? One type of what? For one key list of values. For one key list of values. One more I will write it comma. What is that? Absentees is equal to. Absentees is equal to. I am writing it is called a key. Absentees is equal to colon. What are the values? 5 comma 10 comma 15. I will write like this. So 5 comma 10 comma 15 comma I am writing here like this. I am writing. Are you following me? Yes. This is called what concept? Dictionary. There I will go for what? Convert into data frame. DF is equal to DF is equal to pandas dot pandas dot data frame of what? DA DA. All keys are acting as what? Columns. All keys are acting as columns. How many columns are there in data frame? 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 2 or 4, 2. 2 columns, 2 keys. So, how do I access the first one? DF of a number of days, DF of absentees. For those two things, I will write as a line graph. Line graph. First one is called what? X per day. Second one is called what? That's all. So I will get it. DF of number of days. DF of what? Number of days. See students, subject is most important. Subject is most important. Number of days I will use as which coordinate? X here. And a number of what next? Absentees is called what? Y coordinate. This is called absentees. Absentees is going to be called as what? Y. Am I clear? This is one thing. One more thing is also there. What is another thing? CSV file. Madhu, CSV file. CSV file. Spell out. What is the CSV file? Taking the given data in the form of columns and the values in the form of records, comma separated value. So what is that now? CSV file. So what is this now? KVR.CSV. KVR.CSV. In that, what I will write it? Number of days is equal to, number of days is equal to, here I am writing, students, I am writing number of days. Number of days I am writing is equal to, there I will write it, comma, what is this? Absentees. Absentees I am going to write it. Absentees I am going to write it. Number of days are going to be called what? 1, comma, 2, 3, and then 4. And a comma, I will write 5. And the next is called what? 10. Next is what? 15. Next is called 10. That's all. This is my CSV file. How do you read the data from CSV file? How do you read the data from CSV file? There I will go to that. There I will go to df is equal to pandas dot read underscore CSV, read underscore CSV, kvr dot CSV. So I'm going to get it. I'm going to get df contains two values. I will take as this number of days and then absentees. I will draw the line plot. See how many ways I said. Super. This is called the way of representing. Coding is a main important. Understand? Let's go. So I will go to this problem number one. Draw the line graph. I'm going to take off. Draw the line graph for the following. Draw the line graph for the following. What the line graph says? It is a graph which contains two points. One is x points and then y points. X points are independent values. Y points are dependent on the x variable. That is, y-axis points always depends on x-axis points. That's why x-axis points are called independent variable values and y is called dependent variables. In concerning with the time and all those things will be done. So draw the line graph. Draw the line graph for the following problem. For the following problem. So there I am going to write it. Problem number one, problem number two, problem number three. All of them you need to take. If the given problem is there like that, you try to represent like this. Students, now you try to take like this. So students, just try to move for your things. I can keep it as this, but you are all danger students. So I'm just writing like that. Problem number one. So I'm just writing something like this. So this is called a problem number one. Shall I start off? Yes, this is my problem. Start. I forget. From, come on, students, from matplotlib. Yesterday I said you already set up and everything was done. Already yesterday I said some setup and all. From matplotlib, import pyplot as plt. So come on, come on. X is equal to, that is the number of days. NOD is equal to, I will take it. See, I think I need not to write all these things. I hope so. Can I take as this? Can I copy and paste as this? Yes, because I developed it. I'll just want to write it. So here, like this, I took it. Number of days, absentees. Absentees, I will write it. So there I will write it. X points are there. This is called what? X-axis points. X-axis values. And what about this? Y-axis values. Okay. Tell me. PLT dot plot of number of days, comma, ABSE. ABSE. PLT dot show. So it is going to show you the graph for it. And it is going to give you something like this. Are you able to follow now? So this is going to be X values, Y values are showing like this. And now I can go for taking this data, something like that. Or you can say PLT dot X label. What is this X label says? Number of days. Number of days. Next PLT dot Y label of absentees. What is this? Absentees. Absentees. I'm going to take it. Absentees. Next is called PLT dot title. Title. Title of what? So attendance. 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 Are you following? Something like attendance. Okay. So try to run this now. So I'm going to get it attendance as well as this type of data. So I think you are following me. So if you want to go for it, if you are very much interested to that, PLT dot xticks, PLT dot what? Xticks, Xticks. I will go for what is this? Xticks. I will go for NOD comma. I will write it as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. 4. I will write it like this. I will write it like this. So here I am going to write it like this. Is it understandable? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So the maximum number of students absent on which day? Third day. The maximum number of students absent on which day? Third day. So how many students are absent there? Almost 10, 15 students are absent. Are you following me now? This is a diagram I am going to write it. Are you able to follow now? Right. So similarly, you can go for writing one more kind of approach. This is by using which concept I did with a list. With a list. One more kind of thing or. So I will speed up. Are you following me? Right. Go. I'm going to take up the same to same I will carry. The same to same I will carry. One example I will show you students. Rest of the examples you need to do with all approaches. So here they are taken in the form of list. Now I am taking in the form of what next? This one. I will take this one. Go there. There I will try to write it. In this way, I am going to write it. Tell me, import, import what? NumPy as NP. So there I will write it NP. This is called NP. So there I will write it NP also. So I will take it same number of days, etc. NOD and AB. AB. You want to take it ABSC, you can take it. Same. I will take up the same mechanism. Is it the same mechanism or not? Yes. I will change the color of the line and all those things. I'll change the color of that is called makeup kit we can call. First you concentrate on how to write the code. Code important. Color changing is what? LSO, LW, some colors are there. Marker size, colors and everything I will tell you. Online students, are you following? Ma? Are you following now? So this is one thing. Next I will go to one more mechanism called what? OR. One more mechanism I will go for it. Copy the same thing students. Copy the same mechanism. There I will go for carrying. Next is what? Ma? With what? Series. Series of values I want to take it. Go there. I am going to take up series of values. In this place, I will write series of values. And I will write it what? Pandas dot import pandas dot what? PD. Import PD. So there I will write it PD dot series. Here also PD is dot series. Yes, this is called number of days. No problem. ABSC. ABSC. Same. I'm not changing even variables also. You try to execute students. It is going to give in pandas. So PANDAS. Spelling mistake. So see students, is also going to be given the same manner or not? Yes. With a series I can do. With an ND you can do. Last and final, I will go to the further now. Take care. And one more is data frame. Data frame. Go there. I will carry this part here. Number of days. This one I will take it. Convert into that. Here I am going to enter into this area. So you try to place it. Here I will write it. Number of days, data frame, PD dot. Here I will write it. In this case, for a few minutes, just observe it. Print of what? DF. Print of DF. Is it getting or not? Number of days and what? Absentees. How do I access number of days? You know how to access number of days. How do I access the number of days? Come on. DF of DF of what? Number of days. Number of days. Which axis? X axis. Number of days. Come on, next. DF dot. What next? DF of. Come on. Absentees. Absentees. Right. Done. Absentees. Done. Got it. So number of days and then DF of what? Absentees. Same number of days. And X label, Y label, everything same. I'm getting the same approach once again. Are you getting me? So this is by using which concept? Dictionary I prepared, converted the dictionary into data frame and getting this data. Students, if you want to get it, print of content of data frame, you can, if you want content of data frame, content of data frame. There I'm writing print of what? DF. So there I'm going to write it something like this. So just written like this. Here I am writing this. Execute it and see this output now. So this is my given data and this is a visualization for the given data. Are you following? So marker size I can mention, everything I can mention it. Very soon I will come to the decorative part. Online students, are you comfortable, ma? See that plot. Everybody respond it, ma. Everybody need to respond. So plot will take what? Series 2 parameters it will take. Data frame parameters it will take. Last and final, go to the place now. What is the next? CSV file. Can I take CSV file now? Start. What is this? Number of days, comma, absentees. So I will go to the CSV file. Go there. Hmm. Start. Normal text. Post it. Come on. Save. Save. In where I will go to my place into D colon under KVR. All the data sets are there. I think there only data sets. D colon. So I will go to the place wherever you like it. So under this KVR, under this place, I will take it. What is this now? Attendance. Okay. Attendance. I will take it as what? Attendance. Attendance dot CSV. CSV. Please take care when I am going to save it in the double quotes. When it is a TXT, need to save it in the double quotes. Say save. So go to the place, students. In the D colon, in the D colon, there is a KVR here. Under that, what? Attendance. Is it called the number of days and attendances will be there or not? That I want to read out. Come on, go. So, or I will carry. This I will carry. The same mechanism I will carry. So, get into this place. I'm going to write it. Below one, you come down or in place of writing this entire thing, write it as what? df pd dot read underscore csv. I need to go for the complete absolute path. Come on, students. This one, attendance, I will write it. D colon, double slashes, double slashes. Come on. Attendance, attendance dot CSV, CSV. Please look at that. So I got attendance as this. How do I get number of days? Same, na? This procedure is same. From here and there, procedure is same. What is my procedure? Go to the place. Here, same thing. I will write it. Here I am going to write it. In the same place, I will carry. See, students, I will write it here. Something like red. I am writing something like red. Just a moment I am writing. So it is giving you, okay. So number of days. Any spelling mistake? I think number of days. Number of days. Here you observe it. What is the data? We have number of days. Below one. So where is the problem? 1 minute you try to see. Content to chuddam first. Please look at the content. It is available, right? Number of days. So there you observe it. Number of days. Dot use remove. Are you following? Instead of worrying about that entire thing, I will copy as it is. I will post it over here. Right? Next is called what? Absentees. I will take it there and I will post it over here. Nothing to bother about it. So I got the diagram like this. Is it clear? So now I will write it. Some small thing called what? Right. Right. So some kind of thing is coming here. Are you getting the line color or not? Line color. By seeing the output, don't get happy. అందులో ఏం లేదు. Color if I write, color will come. That is not a great. The code, how to write it is important. Are you following? So how to mention that you will be getting. This is the another way of doing it. So once this given problem is available, in how many ways I wrote it, I said. All of you after going to home, you need to do all these problems with that approach only. Are you following me? So this I will tell you. This also I will tell you. This, last one and other things are dead easy. Is it okay now? First of all, is this concept is okay? Now, so next I want to enter into some decorative part. I will tell you decoration. Decoration means beauty. Beauty. Correct? So what is the beauty points here? Suppose it is called what here? Number of days are called what? This is called 1. This is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called 5. This is called 10. This is called 15. This is called something like this is available. 1 and 5, one data point is there or not? Next, like that, some more data points like that. All these points are connected with straight line or not? So these data points also I want to show. This data points also I want to show. For that, I am entering into which properties I am entering? Line properties I am going to discuss. Spell out line properties. So I'm going to take up line properties here. So line properties I'm going to take up. Line properties. Line properties for line properties of any graph. Wherever there is a line is coming, that line properties we need to take it. So overall conclusion, before going to that line properties, first go through the problem once. All of you open once. Just to open the first problem. First problem you open and then see how many ways are there to write it, students. How many ways are there you observe it. How many ways are there. So go to the place. Here I am going to write it. Tell me. 4 ways are there. Number 1, list. 2 list objects. Number 2, 2 ND array objects. 2 series object. 2 column names in the data frame. 2 column names in the data frame. Next, that's all. These are very, very important. This is called coding. This line properties and all those things is very simple. In the plot, see, PLT dot, I'm going to take it what? Plot. What is the basic structure of the plot? X comma Y. What is that X represents? X coordinate, independent variable. Y represents what? Right. Comma. I'm going to write it. LS stands for line style. Spell out. Comma. LW called what? Line width. Spell out. Comma. LS, LW, and the next is called MEC. That is called marker edge color. Edge color. MFC, marker face color. Next. MS is called what? Marker size. Marker size. Marker size means a bigger size and all. So that marker points I will go for. Marker means what? 1, 5 is getting connected or not. That I can go for circle I can show, into I can show, like a triangle symbol I can show, hexagon symbol I can show you many more things. So this part I will show you directly. Instead of typing and wasting my time, I will show you directly. Online students, please enjoy this documentation. I will go for line properties of what? Any graph. Come on here. Start. PLT dot plot of X comma Y comma LS comma LW comma C. What is this X represents? Set of values on X axis. What is this Y represents? Set of values on Y axis. LS represents what? Right. What is LW represents? I will give you. LW represents, C represents what? Come on. And line style I am talking. The line style value can be any one of the following. What is the line now? Just if I write this hyphen in the single code, that is called which line? Solid line. By default, what is the description? Solid line only will be coming. This line is known as what? Solid line. Solid line. And rather than explaining normally, if you see the visualization, that gives more knowledge. Next, colon represents what? Dotted line. Double underscores will give you what? A dashed line. Underscore and a dot. It will give you what? Dash, dashed and then dotted line. Or instead of following these notations, you can write a line style. I can write in place of ls what? A solid. I can write what? Dotted. Next, dashed. Next, dash dot. And a none indicates what? No more lines will be coming. By default, what the value? Now I will write it. Can I show you now? Let's go. So I'm using today some property here. So I'm going to apply the properties on the same diagram. Which property I'm applying? Line properties. So I'm going to show line properties. Line properties. So no need to concentrate more on it. The visualization, the presentation people can take care about what is that. Tell me plot, number of days, etc. Tell me line style is equal to, come on, solid, solid, solid. That indicates by default it is a solid only. By default it is called solid only. Next is called what? Come on, dotted, dotted. Spelling mistakes you should not write it. Spelling mistakes you should not use it. Is it dotted coming or not? Dotted, dotted, dotted. Next is called what? Dashed. So dashed, dashed. It is going to come dash dot like that. It will come. Is it coming here like that? Are you following? Next, I will write it one more called what? Come on. Dash dot. Dash dot. So it is your dash dot. So I will write it. I hope it is the, I think if anything is invalid, you will not get executed. Error will be coming, I hope so. Go to that. It is called what? Dash dot. It is called dash dot. And remember students, it is not a subject of a dash dot. It is a DOT. Okay. So you execute it. Is it coming? Dash or dot or dash or dot. Are you following me? Similarly, that is called which parameter? LS. If I write something like underscore simply, it will give you what line? Solid line. It will give which line? Solid line. Giving problem. Huh? This is not underscore. That is hyphen. Yes. Hyphen. Hyphen students. Yes. Are you getting or not? Similarly, online students, and it is not a subject at all. And nobody will bother about this decorative part. They will bother about only coding. Eating chewing gum? No, no? Okay. Water means no problem. Oh, okay. So, okay, okay. Come to the point. Now I will go to one more thing. Come on, next LS. LS is equal to what is the parameter next? LS. LW. Yes. LW represents what? Line width. 10 pixels width, 11 pixels width, 12 pixels width, 20 pixels width. It's my time waste when I explain this. All these decorative part, I am not a designer, right or not? I'm a coder. So, but still I want to tell you. So LW is equal to, LW is equal to, I'm going to write it something like 10. I'm writing something like 10. You see that 10. That is a 10 pixels. It's not a pipe, okay? Who said it is pipe? So Go to this place, it is called what? 5. It is going to be like this. Are you following this? Like this. Next, I will go to one more kind of thing. What is the next? C. C is equal to what? Color. So I'm going to write it R. C is equal to what? R. So it is going to come in which color? Red color it is going to come. RED or R you can write. So you can write something like Y. It is called what? Yellow. It is going to come yellow. So you apply your creativity, whatever you like it. What are the parameters of line? LS, LW, C. Are you okay? Good. Online students, is these 3 parameters clear? Already how many parameters are there? X, Y. Come on, plot. PLT dot plot of X comma Y comma LS LW C. C. Okay. Next, I will go to marker properties. Marker properties means what? Here one marker is there or not? 1 and then some number is marked here. And then 2 and something is marked here. Some markers will be there. What are the marker lines also I want to go for? These are called which properties? Line properties. Now I am going for which properties? Marker properties. Marker properties means endpoints, connecting points I want. So there I will go to marker points. Spell out marker properties. Marker properties. So marker properties. If I show the output, you can understand. Let it be this you, don't worry. And only C I will use it. C is called what? Yellow. C is called what? Yellow. Now I am going to say marker style is equal to like that I am writing. Oh, I am writing something like that. What happens? M, some parameter name. So M is equal to, I'll check it out if it is going to this place. It is going to give you again. Go to the place, marker properties. Go to the marker properties, students. Start. What is this now? Marker. It is called what? Marker. MS no, M no, marker. MEC, marker edge color. MFC, marker face color. MS represents size. So first I will go to this place. Whatever I mentioned here, marker. First property is called what? Marker. See that, students? Is it marked points are coming or not? That is in the circle points. But this is called yellow. This is called yellow is there or not? The edge is there, no edge. That edge is called what? Red. Red I want to give it. It is not my subject to tell about these colors. I'm feeling so much inconvenient to explain this. So next is called what? MEC. What is that MEC? Edge. MEC. I will go to my place. Here I will write it, comma, comma, MEC is equal to red, RED, RED. So go to the place, observe it. What the edge color is coming? Red, red. Are you seeing the red? Marker face color inside the red, inside of the red. Nobody will ask in interview when you go to it. How to represent the visualization series, ND array, CSV file. They will ask LS, LW, C, marker, MEC, MFC. Nobody will ask. So next is called what? Come on. MFC. MFC is equal to what? Green. Green. Next, MS is equal to size, marker size. It is called 15. MS. So you try to observe it. Are you following this? And by seeing that, don't feel happy. Oh, I know line graph like that. Time waste, that is. How to build that? These are all called what? Markers. Are you seeing that? Now I will reduce my size here. It is called 10. It is just a little bit reduced. Are you getting it now? Yes. Now I will go to another style. I will change it. Another style I will change it. Here I will take up. That is called one style. Go to another style. Come on. X and Y represents values. MEC represents edge color. MFC marker size. Come on. O marker types. Marker. What I used now? Oh, next if I use a star, which is going to be star. This is going to be pixels like. Now I want to use a diamond. Diamond. Small d I will use it. These are all called, you need to remember. If at all you are interested in good beauty to your diagram. So X represents plus represents plus square diamond like that. Capital D what diamond, small d means what thin diamond, pentagon, hexagon, hexagon, triangle down, triangle up. There are lot of things are there. So I will use it what now? I will use a diamond. Small d I will use it or capital D. Go to once to this place more. Here I will write it. Where? Capital D, I will use it. When I use capital D, what is happening? You see, is it diamond is coming or not? So coming to this place here, color is equal to something like blue. I am writing something like blue. So see that line here. Is it blue color is coming or not? Marker, edge color, map, something like this. It is coming. So what are the parameters of plot? What are the parameters of plot? Py plot dot plot x comma y comma ls comma lw comma c comma mec comma mfc comma ms comma marker. These many are there. 10 parameters are there. These are all used in what format? Keyword arguments only. Keyword arguments only I am using. Is it keyword arguments or not? These are all called keyword arguments only I am using. Online students, am I clear about it? Respond. So this is very clear. Clear? Right. So now I will move to the, this is called which graph I am writing? Single graph I am writing. This is called what? That is single line graph. What is that? Single line graph. I can also go for what? Compound line graph is also there. Multi-line graph is also there. Spell out. Multi-line graph. So I want to go for drawing multi-line graph. Shall I? Right. Online students. One more property I want to show. Students, I want to go for this, I want to add grid. Grid I want to add grid. Do you know grid? When you buy the graph paper, when you buy the graph paper, horizontal lines, vertical lines, some small lines, thick lines will be there or not? What is that is called? Grid. Grid. So I will add the grid properties also. Shall I add the grid properties? Grid is nothing but what? Intersection lines in the graph. Easy. So go for same diagram, same property. Which property I am applying? Spell out students. Grid property. When you buy the shirt without plain shirt, you will have some checks lines. The checks lines are called what? Grids. So what is that now? Grid properties. Spell out. What is the function I will use? PLT dot. What is the function name? Grid. Grid. It is taking axis. One parameter called what? Axis. Axis. Axis says by default how many axes? Two. X axis, Y axis. So it by default takes what? Both. By default takes what? Both. Don't go to Rajasthan. Sit properly. So come to the point back. Grid. Grid is called what? One function. By default, what is the parameter axis takes? Both. Both x-axis, y-axis, horizontal lines will come. If I want only grid for x-axis, grid for only y-axis, I will write simply axis is equal to x, axis is equal to y, axis is equal to both. Can I add it? Come on. Here I am writing, come on, PLT dot, what is that? Grid. I am not writing anything, just the grid of. See the output of it. See the output of it. Is the grid coming or not? Grid is coming. It is called both intersection lines are there on x-axis as well as y-axis, like x-axis, y-axis. But nobody will ask this with the grid, what will happen? All those things, nobody will bother about it. Come on, now I will write what? Axis is equal to x. Axis is equal to what? X. It is coming on which axis? Lines will come on what? X-axis. Quick. Axis is equal to what? X-axis lines. Because I mentioned which parameter? X-axis. Next, go to what? Which axis? Y-axis also I will take it. Online students. It is very easy. What is this now? Y. Y-axis. Is it Y-axis coming or not? Next I will go to what? Axis is equal to what? Both. Axis is equal to what? Both. I will write it both. Students, it is a both. When I say both, are you getting both of them or not? Yes. So the grid is basically what? Lines. Grid is basically lines. Those lines, I want some color. I want some color. Color. Come on, go to axis is equal to both. I'm not writing any of the axis. When I don't write any axis, it will take what? Both. Now I'm taking L. L that is called a C is equal to what? Yellow. C is equal to yellow. See that C is equal to yellow. Is it yellow grids are coming or not? Next, come on, go to what is this now? LS is equal to what? LS is equal to what? Dotted. 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 Do you know dotted? You know dotted. Are you getting dot, 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 dot or not? Yes. Next is called what? LW is equal to some 7. LW is equal to what? 7. 7. So I am writing 7. Are you getting 7 or not? It's becoming very big. It is becoming very big. So I will say only some 5. I'll say something like what? Solid. I will write what? Solid. I will say something like what? Red or. So if color is not good, don't get tension. Okay. So this is going to be like this. This is going to be like that. Here lines is not important. I am not interested in telling this beauty design. I am not a HTML faculty, first of all. BG color is equal to yellow, BG color is equal to cyan, color numbers. I don't like that subject. It is a very easy. Are you following? So line LS is equal to something like 2. So I'm going to write it. I think you are following this. Is it clear? Right. So these lines are your understanding, I think so. Which properties these are? Grid properties. Which properties? So what properties we learned for lines? Line properties, marker properties, grid properties. How many grids? 3. X-axis grids, Y-axis grids, X and Y. On grid also you can apply which property? Line property. Easier? Right, go. Now I am going to enter into another problem I am taking. Online students, are you feeling any fast? No, no? No fast, no? Because it is easy. Since you know code I covered and these properties I covered little faster. Any difficulty? No. So NumPy is here, Pandas is here, matplotlib is here. Matplotlib is here. But nobody will ask questions in this. They will ask more questions on Pandas. They will ask more questions on NumPy. Matplotlib, nobody will ask. Why? Because even the interviewer will get a difficulty to ask the visualization questions. What the diagram is visualize, he cannot prepare the question on it. He will ask always coding related activities in NumPy pandas related questions. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Students, that you already understood. So I will go to second problem you see. Easier, time and distance, quick. How many ways to do it? These many ways, these 5 ways. List data, end array data, series data, deep data frame data, CSV. Same thing. This also 5 ways. This also 5 ways. Now I will go to this one. Can I go to this? Ready to answer it? Right. Can I go? Now, I will go to this place, students. So how do you take care about this? Samsung, I want to display the problem like this. How many graphs are there? Three graphs I will write. So two graphs తీసుకుంటాను first. Later I will go for what? Three graphs. First I will do. Both of them I only will do. Let us go to this place. I will implement this. Go. I will take it. Draw the line graph for the following problem. Draw the line graphs, line graph for the following problem. For the following problem. So all of you help me. How to implement this? So how to implement this? You need to tell. Come on. Say, students. You are watching. Sorry, is keeping comment like that. So start. Mudhu, start. So let me take it clearly here. Already I said to you, SBI, Honda City, Amage, interest rate. Already I said now, students. Said or not? Then why are you thinking now? Still waiting? Tell me. Come on. Here I am going to write it. Muddu, import, find us as PD, find us as PD, PD. Next I will take from matplotlib, from matplotlib. I will write it. Now, import pyplot, pyplot as PLT, as PLT. Tell me. D is equal to, D is equal to, tell me. I will say, what is that? 2011. 2011. That is called key. I will take it as what? 150, comma, 125. 125. Okay. Comma, 2012. 2012. Come on. I will take it. 125, comma, 1. So this is why are you writing like that? Next, this is called what? 150. 150. Come on, next. 2013. 2013. So I will say that 100, comma, 1 minute, ma. I will adjust it. This is a 2013. So tell me, 2013. I say 100, comma, 50. 100, comma, 15. Next is called what? 2014. 2014, colon. I will write it what? 50, comma, 100. 50, comma, 100. It is called one dictionary or not? Yes. These are all comes under what? Keys. Right? So these are all comes under the values. These are all comes under the keys. Next I will go for what? Index also I want to represent. This is all called what? Dictionary. Okay. Keep it as it is. Now convert. Convert. DF is equal to PD dot data frame of D comma index is equal to product A, product A, product A, comma, product B, product B. Are you following me? Very good. Next, print of what? DF, print of DF, print of DF, print of data frame object. This is print of. So I will take up this one here also. Data frame object, I will take it. Content of what? Data frame. Content of what? Data frame. Okay. So see, students, I got content of it. Is it clear or not? Yes. My data is ready. So first of all, if you understand the data, it is very easy. Okay now? So I will draw what now? I will draw which one? Depends on the year. Product A I want to show. Depends on the year. These are all called what? X-axis. This is product A is called what? y-axis. This is again x-axis. Product B is what? Y-axis. How many plots will come? Two plots will come. Shall I implement it? Yes. Shall we start? Come on, start. This is the data. Hmm, I forget. Come on, DF. Come on. Draw, draw a line plot. Draw a line plot for years and product A. Product A. Come on, start. Madhu. PLT dot plot of plot of plot of plot of Madhu. These are all called what? Years. These are all called years. How do you take years? In the camera. So DF of, come on, columns. DF of what? Columns. Is the columns coming or not? Yes. Columns. Columns of what? 0. Columns of 0. What is coming? 2011. So I'm going to take it. First of all, what? Columns I'm going to take it. Columns. Is it columns? Everything is ready or not? Yes. So columns of this entire thing is coming. This entire thing is coming. And moreover, I will take this is going to be which type it is? Type of what is that? Columns. Which type it is? It is going to be print of. I'm going to take it. Sorry. Print of df dot what is that? Columns. Columns. I'm going to take it. This is going to be like the students. And this is the data what you have. So now I want to take this data. How do you take this data? I will say dot what? Values. So it is going to come in the form of like this. What is the type? Madhu. What is the type? It is called end array. So it is ready. So tell me, come to the place. Here I will write it. So page down. So come down to this. Now it is ready. I will take it. Which one? Df dot values. Come on. PLT dot. Okay. This is one value or not? One more value. Which one I want to take it? Product A. How do you take product A? How do you take product A? Tell me. How do you take product A? You cannot tell. Muddu, df dot LOC of product A. Because my sir already said to you, all column names, you can get the data by using this one. So print off, I'm going to take up. So see that, is it product yes are coming or not? Product yes are coming. This product yes. What is the type you check it out? Type you check it out. Type. Is it called a series or not? Yes. So now I will take it. Now I will take it. Dot. What I want to do? What I want to do? Values. So I'm getting what? 150 like that. What is the type? What is the type? End here. So I'm ready with the two values. What are the two values ready? So this value and this value. This is the above one. Come on. I say, come on. PLT dot plot of this one, comma, like this, of values. Super. PLT dot show. PLT dot show. Is it my plot is shown or not? Yes. Come on. Now I will go to comma. Come on. Marker is equal to comma. Marker is equal to what? Like this. And I will write C is equal to what? Red. red. So come on to the point back. Is it coming like this or not? So 2011 and 2012, 2013, 2014. Is it fall down or not? Go to, this is called what? One independent graph. Next is called one more type of graph. Come on, students. Online students, are you following, ma'am? Are you following? Please respond. See, this is a beautiful subject. This is very important. Marker, color, no, not necessary. Subject is important. Are you getting it? Nice. So come on, here one more plot. I forget. Columns values, which one? Product B. Product B. This is called what? Green. Green, green. Marker is equal to what? Something like a D. D, D. Dimension. Is it going to be another one or not? Both of them I want. Both of them I want. Come on. I will take this. Both the graphs I want. This part already there is one diagram is there. This I will bring it. PLT dot. Both of them in this place. Product A and what? Product B. Product B. It is called red. This is called R red, green. Okay. I will go to this one. You observe it. Is it available or not? What is the red indicates? Product A. What is the green indicates? That I want to show. Since I am explaining your understanding. If other person says, I want a legend. Spell out. Legend means what? Description about my lines. Description about my lines. Understand? Right. Come on. How to mention the legend? There is a function called what? PLT dot legend. How many labels I have here? Two labels. Product A, product B. Legend will take a variable called what? Labels it will take. I will show you. Legend is also one beauty diagram, beauty part only. So I will open directly. Legend property. Don't think that, sir, this one. Main important thing is, come on, legend property. Legend property makes us to understand functionality of lines. Come on, PLT dot what? Legend. What is that? LOC. This is called my graph. Children, sorry. This is called what? Graph. What is this part is called center? Tell me. What is this is called upper? This is called what? Huh? Muddu, bottom. Lower. Lower. What is this is called? Okay. This one. This one. What is this called? Upper right. Spell out. What is this is called? What is this is called? What is this? Center right. Bottom. Bottom left. Right. That means you can align your legend in any one of the locations, but you don't try to think about it. Leave the PyCharm environment, Jupyter Notebook environment by saying LOC is equal to best. Best means what? Wherever there is a space is there, it will insert it. Understand? These are all the parameters of LOC. Understand, ma? Come on here. What is this? LOC is called what? Upper right means right side. Come on, face color is equal to what? Y. Legend box will come for that yellow color. Edge color is equal to R. Font size is equal to 12. Waste of time. Only you remember what? Legend. So here I am writing legend labels. How many labels? Squares and this one. So in my case, I will go to this place. Here I will write it. Coming to the legend box I want to add. Are you understanding multiple plots how to write it? Yes. So students, I will go to labels is equal to, I will write it labels. So products, PROD is equal to, what is the first product? Product A, product A. Next is what? Product B. Product A, product B. So I will write it, product A, comma what? Product B, product B. I am going to write it. Close. Now I'm writing PLT dot legend. PLT dot legend of what? Labels is equal to PRODS. PRODS. LOC is equal to best. LOC is equal to best. What is the meaning of best? Wherever best location is there, you fit that legend box. Are you understanding? When you see that, you can understand. See that legend. Where is the legend box? On the top right. What is this now? That line indicate product A. This is indicating what? Product B. For the legend is concerned, I don't write what is this now? MEC. MEC is equal to blue. Blue. I don't want to add MEC. See that legend box color right now, it is no color is there, light color is there. Now you see this legend box is containing, I mean the MEC. What is the parameter there? What is the parameter there on the top of it? So, okay, face color, edge color like that. Okay, so I will take it instead of what? MEC, I will write it what? Edge color. Edge color is equal to. Edge color is equal to. Are you seeing the edge color of blue? Come on. Edge color is what? Blue. So that is all time waste. Correct or not? So just if you know the best location and the labels is equal to, are you following me? Can I draw many plots as well on the screen? So this is going to show you years and their sales. So both the years started, all of them falling, but the product B is increasing their cost or not. So this is called the another problem. Is it understandable, this problem? Come on. Yes, this problem. Can you write this quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, Samsung, Apple, OnePlus? How many? Three. So I can take it. This in the CSV file also you can take. Dictionary you can take it. Many ways you can take it. NDRS you can take. Many more things you can take it. But always prefer to go for dictionary with data frame. Or CSV file you take it. That's the best. I think you are following me. So line plot is easy or difficult? Are you understanding the first variable, independent variable, dependent variable, depend on the x-axis variable, y-axis variable will be changing or not? So if you follow me, I will show you some more plots for you. Line plot if you come, nodes if you come, matplotlib, line plot if you come to that. There is some more questions I am placing here. So here a small description is written for you also. A line plot visualizes information as a series of data points called what? Markers. That markers, diamond points and all. Connected by what? Straight line segment. They are also called express trends data over interval of time. Depends on the x variable, y value will be changes. Line plots display numerical variable on x-axis and a category variable on the other axis, like time, distance, that kind of thing. Let us take day, week 1, week 2, week 3. Monday, week 1, temperature recording. Tuesday, another week recording, another week recording. Which week is having more temperature? But I want to go for. Come on, data. What is this? Days. How many days? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Week 1, week 2, week 3. These are all called columns or not? Data frame, PD. Plot. Come on. PLT dot plot. DF of this one. Week 1. Next is called what? Week 2, week 3. All of them in the single plot also you can do. Are you following that? So X dot title, X dot label, X dot legend, PLT dot show. Do you know this? Next, day 1, week 1. Temperature, titles, labels here. Next is called what? Day 1, week 1. Day 2, week 2. Day 3, week 3. Are you following this? Yes. So you are understanding this. All of them are available on where? Same place only. Days to temperatures. Title. This one is legend. Week 1, week 2, week 3. This is called directly I'm passing the labels or not? This one. Next, What is that? Week one, color yellow, green, blue. So I'm going to show what? Legend. Are you getting it? This is called multiple plots. Line colors, LS dash C colors, etc. This is available. Next is called what? Same kind of things only, which is just changing days and all those things. Are you okay? So with this, I will show you all these things, students. I am changing this kind of what? Line styles. Are you following me? Line styles, this hyphens and all those things. You go through this and you will be getting saving your line plot and how to save your plot. There is one kind of figure is there. Function is called what? Save figure and you will give this location. Suppose I will go to my place. I want to save this figure. Where you want to save this figure? Of course, it's not necessary. Just I'm saying, go to the place. Here I'm writing. Come on, PLT dot. What is this? Save figure. Save figure. Where I'm saving D colon under KVR folder under KVR place X dot what? PNG. X dot PNG. So it is saved. It is saved. Go to where? D colon, go to D colon, there's a KVR here, x dot png, you just click on that. Is it coming or not? It is saved like that. Understand? This is called something like a diagrammatic which is legend, all those things will be saved. That is also mentioned here. Comparison of 12 months. This is called what? Month. Some more example. Sales, random product values. Go for data frame, month, product A, product B. One more example is covered. Will you practice it? So first you concentrate on the examples I give. 6 examples I give. Some more examples are there. Ample of work is there. Once you practice 8 to 9 example, so who will stop us? Correct or not? So do all of them with the dictionaries, CSV files, all those things. Okay now? So this is about which plot? Line plot. Online students, is it clear for all of you? So line plot easy or difficult? Easy. When you go to 10th class, some statistics is there. Graphs will be there or not? That problem also I can write the coding by using matplotlib. Correct? So I'll stop my class. Next I will go for which plot tomorrow, which plot I will take it. Bar plot I will explain. Bar plot I will explain. Daily one plot I will explain. That will be completing. So tomorrow don't miss it. Horizontal bar plot, vertical bar plot, stacked bar plot, vertical stacked bar plot. All those bar plots I will explain. Thank you. Carry on. Online students, if any doubts are there, hold on. I will connect to you. Online students, Pratima, you don't worry, ma. I will tell you that. I am remembering that. I'll tell you that. Okay, now? Pratima, don't worry. I'm remembering that. Don't worry about it. I'll explain that. Okay? Relax and try to follow this. I will definitely will give you the answers for you. Okay, na? Don't worry about it. Right. Kushi, sir, advanced Python last week covered is that oops. Confirming, sir. Just missed some classes in middle. Okay, ma'am. Oops is going on. Coming after the whoops, multi-threading I will tell. That is the 3 classes. Regular expressions will be done. That is the another last class is that only. With that, our course will be over. Okay, na? Kushi.